You searched how to buy shares of Cathay General Bancorp. Cathay is a regional bank serving commercial and retail customers, and its common stock trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker CATY. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy CATY, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds to your account before you can place a trade. Use the broker search field and type the ticker CATY to find the listing. Make sure the result shows Cathay General Bancorp on NASDAQ so you have the correct stock. Open the Cathay General Bancorp instrument page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker CATY to ensure you are on the right page. Click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Choose order type where applicable, then review the details and confirm to place the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before completing the purchase. Once executed, your CATY position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow this walkthrough.